Oh my goodness. I've just arrived at the station and look at this. This is not the train that we're going on, but hey look, it says Abellio, but we know that it's not operated by Abellio anymore. Oh wow, that's amazing. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do something first and then we'll watch it go. So, cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We are at Dunkeld and Burnham, and we need to wait for our train going to Glasgow Queen Street. Now, we're not going to Queen Street. I'm really sorry. We're stopping earlier, but we would need to wait for our train. But I wasn't expecting this to be in the station when I arrived. That's amazing. So yeah, this is part one of a few parts to get back home to Derby. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. That's amazing. So we are waiting for our 10:49, taking us to Stirling. So that's going to be just under an hour's, trip. So we've got to wait. It's 10:23 at the moment. So it's just going to take a little while because I've left the hotel and they dropped me off early. I said, don't worry, I'd rather get off early and know that I'm here. But yeah, we're at Dunkeld and Burnham. It's been a lovely week. I totally forgot about the train leaving. There it goes. Let's wait for our train. 10:47, sorry, not 10:49, 10:47. Let's go. So all the announcements here are in Scottish, and they did the see it, British Transport Police, and it was see it, sorted. And I was like, see it, say it. So yeah, see it, sorted. Amazing. Only 10 minutes to go till our train arrives. Forgot to mention, this is a Caledonian sleeper station. So yeah, there is one that goes to London Euston, departing at 23:06. So yeah, that would be cool if I ever come back. That would be amazing to I say amazing, it'd be a lot of extra work to go from Derby down to London, then back up to Scotland, but never mind. But yeah, we got these steps here because, as you saw with the HST, it's really high. The steps are really low, so even on the 158 that I was on, I had to jump down. It's quite far. Thankfully, my case isn't as heavy today.
For your safety, please be aware that this station has no tactile pavement on the platform edge.
No tactile pavement, but yeah, so it's a lot lighter than it was when I arrived. I had quite a few bits of hardware that I was pulling along, so yeah, it's not as heavy this time. But yeah, it's been nice here, being around oh, did you see that? The points moved. Points or something, or the signal, but you see the wire there? It moved. See that the signal's gone up there, so it could have been that. Could have been to do with that. Interesting stuff. But yeah, if you go back, you'll be able to see it kind of went on there. Yeah, under 10 minutes now, 8 minutes, but it says it's going to arrive slightly early, so 8 minutes till the train arrives. Our train is arriving. Can you see what it is? You knew by the title, but we are on the Scotrail Intercity, or is it Inter7city? HST, XGWR. I'm excited. And you're coming with me. This is good news and good news. You're coming with me on this. Sorry about the noise of the case if you can hear that, but I wasn't expecting it to go this far up. But yeah, let's climb aboard the HST. So we are on board the HST. I'm coming out here because it's busy in there. There's loads of people around me, so that's why that bit just then was silent. Annoyingly, catering is closed. It's not open. I wanted to grab something. I wanted to grab something. What we'll do is we'll take a little tour. So look. Some first class in here. Now there's no catering for first class, but they've got the old GWR seats. They've just changed things like the blue here, I guess. But yeah, it's the old seat. It's 15 quid for the upgrade, but there's no catering with compliments, nothing. But yeah, it's a two by one seating. But yes, the XGWR. What we got here, we got USB and power sockets, which is nice, and the curtains if you want to look at that. But yeah, it's amazing. We're on this train. Let's go further up. There she is. I can smell the fumes. She's absolutely amazing. I just feel weird that there's not a door here, and then you've got to go straight through, but how amazing is that? I can just smell it. We've got a toilet here, just a little one. Yeah, what we'll do is we'll head back to our seat. Look at that. It's amazing. So now, in about 2 weeks, I have been able to go on the GWR HST and the Scotrail HST. The only one I haven't been on yet that's still left is cross country. We're on the Scotrail HST. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I had to ask permission to show that. Look, here's mine. There's no sticker, so I have to show it on someone else's. So yeah, upside down plugs to make sure that the chunky ones fit, because you know mobile ones do that, but have I got mine? Let me have a look. No, wrong pocket. Just panicking now. I can't remember if I put my charger in the in the case. I think I did. Anyway, my laptop charger is that one. Now, if it was there, it would fit, okay? But there are some that are a lot chunkier than this. So just going upside down allows it to go on there. I just remembered it's in the back of my bag. So yeah, this is my phone one, so that will go in there, but my laptop one kind of sticks up here. Yeah, let's put this away so I can keep that. I'm talking a lot more because this guy's gone, so I can talk and say whatever I want now. Farts, blow-offs. No, I'm joking. Yeah, coming into Perth, then to Stirling, and then we'll have our next leg, which will be on the same video. 1, 2, yeah, I'll keep it on the same video, I think, because this isn't very long. Well, it depends. I might take a lot of footage and then say no, it's going to be separate. So wait and see. But yeah, it's lovely being on this HST. So yeah, we're not paying 15 quid for the first class because there's no catering, even though it's like bottles, drink and biscuits. I just really wanted to get a cup and a glass, and yeah, it's not even going to be catering on the next train that I'm going on. Oh, fire engine. Oh wait, look, fire engine training centres. That probably catches the light and all sorts. That's quite cool. Bit more extensive than the usual, this one, the tower. So that did a little bit more. But yeah, look, that's the whole fire station, you know, the office and everything. Almost forgot to record the entry into Perth. It's a nice building there, isn't it? And then that looks a little bit like Royal Mail type. That's how I view it. It looks like a Royal Mail type roof. Oh, Caledonian Sleeper. So the Caledonian Sleeper guest lounge is down there.
You don't care where you're going, do you?
Well, that was weird with the signal to the driver. It wasn't beep, 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 beep. It was beep, beep, and then a few seconds, and then 2 very long beeps again. Does it not like go through? Can they hear it? Not? Is it a running joke? Oh look, there's an LNER thing there. So even though this looks like a Scotrail station, there are a few LNER signs around, because there needs to be. Well, I don't know, I just saw an LNER person. So is this an LNER managed station, or is this a Scotrail managed station? You're going to tell me it's cross country, aren't you? What have we got? What are they up to? I don't know, but it looks like it goes on the rails. It's nice that they've got the Scotrail fabric on here though. That's quite nice. They didn't need to change much on the first class, they just had to turn it into a bit of blue. But in here it's I say extensive. Could this have been like already there and then they've just changed this bit? Because it used to be, you know, the blue with the lines, which I call purple, but it's blue, but it looks like purple. Oh, what's your phone signal like?
Keep it to yourself.
And you're both. And I went to the toilet and I came back from the toilet and I'm going, what do you going to have? Oh, what you're doing.
So here's my reservation. Coach B, 23F Class 2, so it's not third class, it's second class. But just remember, do not remove this label, okay? Because there could be, would I get a fine? No. So yeah, Dunkeld and Burnham to Stirling. It's quite cool. I remember I once took one of these, but I wouldn't now, just in case. You're probably all going to tell me that I should have taken it, but I don't think I can. Views are incredible, aren't they? So nice to be up in the Highlands. Not that I saw them, because, you know, been doing some work for the past few days and just stuck in a hotel. So we are going up to 90 miles an hour, which is good. HST just went past whilst I was doing the speed check. Can't get the Wi-Fi to work. I'm going to try again in a minute, but the last time I checked when we arrived at Perth, it just wasn't working. Just want to see the speed and see how it works. So we're on the electrified route now, coming into Stirling. It's been really nice being on this HST. 2 out of the 3 ticked that I've been on, you know, present day. So before I have been on a Great Western, I've been to East Midlands, I've been on LNER. been on Virgin. Yeah, current day 3. The Bridge of Allen. Look at that over there. Gorgeous. So yeah, we're now coming into Stirling, so let's go and get the case and leave the train.
We got Stirling now.
So that was our trip on the Inter7city Class 43 HST. There are those doors, and yeah, it's got a little key lock, so you can't even actually use them. We're just coming down to the front of the train. This train does stay here for a few minutes, so that gives us enough time to walk down and have a good look. What a gorgeous train. It's going to be a shame when they go. Here we go. Shutting all the doors now. Yeah, so 2+4. It's kind of like the castle set. Just watch her leave. That one's already been approached, so it's already got the plants and the flowers. Every time. Even though you're expecting it, it always makes you jump. I saw it on a social media post yesterday. Somebody saying, you're expecting the horn, you want the horn, but when it comes, it's like, ugh! Off she goes, off to Glasgow Queen Street. Well, that does it here, passengers. We're at Stirling. We're going to leave you here, ready for the next leg of our journey. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos from the Mega Sim. And you know what? I'm going to carry on my journey back down to Derby. So I'll see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you soon, guys. Bye.